Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by organizing and importing. Do this now. Create folders by shoot or client, then import RAWs or highest quality JPEG so edits remain flexible. Apply a camera profile and lens corrections on import to fix distortion and color baseline. This saves time downstream. Once done, add metadata and consistent keywords for search. Make sure to enable a catalog or session workflow. It prevents duplicates and makes batch operations straightforward, which speeds up every following step. Now you build the edit foundation with presets and grouping. Start by creating a base preset for exposure, white balance, and contrast. This establishes a consistent look. Then group similar frames by lighting or background and apply local adjustments like 1/2 stop exposure tweaks or targeted color shifts to skin tones. Once a group looks right, sync or paste settings across selected images to propagate changes. Make sure to refine individual images where needed. Batch edits speed things, but targeted fixes keep quality. Finish by exporting and performing quality assurance. Export using the correct format, resolution, and color profile required by the client or platform. Then run a quick QA pass. Check for highlights or shadows clipping, overall sharpness, and consistent color across the set so nothing jumps out. If something goes wrong, revert to virtual copies or reset the problematic images and reapply the preset, adjusting only the necessary local sliders. That way you save work and avoid re-editing the entire batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.